AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday and onward. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video, and as the only person in this space having done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything and actually shown you what's printing and what's not, I'm here to tell you that I'm going to just show you my exact play, you know. And it's not that I'm immediately going to buy, you know. I have 44 results in the receipt section in the Discord, so there's really not lack of coverage on AMC, and I'm here to tell you that because it started to finally shift, I'm just open-minded for doubling down on that. This doesn't mean that I'm just randomly gonna buy though. What this means though is if the price pulls and gives me the shift, then it's all right, you know, it's good. Well, great, I'm looking to double down on that. But without that confirmation or the red part happening, me buying is just not gonna happen. It's not gonna cut it for me. And I'm being very honest here. Like, people are forcing trades that they're not even supposed to be there. I'm just waiting for my edge because that's what I've tested and refined over 5 years. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's absolutely free.